Hey everybody, this is Dugas Bradford. Welcome to another copyrighted edition of Dugas TV. And today, I'm going to teach you how to surfboard. Woohoo! First thing you got to do is you got to get yourself a surfboard. What I got right here is a big old log, 8-foot surfboard. Get yourself one. Alright, the next thing you got to do is practice your stance. What I am going to do right here is do a demonstration on how to do it. What you got to do is you got to paddle to the wave. Once you catch the wave, you got to jump up like this. I'm regular footed. You might be goofy. Just like this. Alright, the next thing you got to do is spot your location and figure out where you're going to surf. I've chose this spot right here. Pretty cool, huh? Alright, next thing you gotta do is just go for it. And that's how you surfboard. If you like this video and you found it useful, please give me a thumbs up, comment down below, and subscribe. Until next time, Dugas out.